name is Michael Kent. I am a men's physique athlete. I'm looking to compete again early next year, so that's why I'm here. I'm getting gynecomastia surgery. The basic reason why I'm getting it done is just the impact it has on my day-to-day life. Just feeling comfortable, being able to wear the clothes I want to wear, being able to go out and do the things I want to do and not being self-conscious. But also on the bodybuilding front, I also want to be as competitive and as good as I can be. So for that reason, I've decided to get the surgery, and then I think both sides of my life are going to improve exponentially. And yeah, I'm just super excited to get it done now and can't wait. I chose Signature Clinic because several people I know personally have had it done, and also other athletes that are sponsored by the company I'm sponsored by, they've had it done. And across the board, the results from the guys at Signature Clinic have been amazing. I've had nothing but good feedback in terms of the service they've received. So yeah, for me it was almost a no-brainer to come here and get my surgery with these guys. Faultless, like so calm, no pain. For me personally, no real discomfort. Like there was a few weird sensations in terms of like some of the feelings and whatnot, but it wasn't painful or discomfort. It was just a very new experience, but absolutely chill. I could have fallen asleep easily, but I'm too excited to fall asleep because I want to see the results. So, yeah, buzzing. Yeah, so in summary, that was way better than I expected. There was no discomfort, there was no pain. It was super relaxed atmosphere. And yeah, like I said several times in there, I think I'd rather do that than go to the dentist. So there was no negative aspects of it whatsoever. I couldn't be happier. I've seen the results briefly and I'm so happy. It's like life changed, so amazing. Thank you, Signature.